Last time on Races to Places, Lyndon and Basil rode with the inspirational Joey Evans.
Negotiating getting my radiator and oil cooler cleaned because I just seen the car wash at the side of the road. Yeah, perfect. What's this? Sweet. Get Basil cleaned up.
So I just wanted to stop here and just say a few words about Lesotho. I've been here for a good 5 days now. Had all the snow obviously, and now we've got the beautiful sunshine. But one of the things that stands out the most is how friendly the people are here. So welcoming, waving, kids are excited, you know, and they really have nothing out here. Like there's no, even the capital, Maseru, is quite underdeveloped, and the whole country is just super nice and chill and out there, like it's all out. There's no like massive development anywhere. But I've really enjoyed my time riding here. I've seen some fantastic places. I'm going to spend another day here, maybe 2 days, we'll see. Just saw this place here and just wanted to stop and say a few words. It's really nice to be in such a unspoilt place.
Cruising this gravel road, working my way to a place called Semonkong, where there's a huge waterfall which is the source of a river. I'm gonna go check it out. Super nice.
Well, what you see here just to my left is Malechinani Waterfalls. It's just outside of Semonkong in Lesotho. I heard about this from some locals and I'm super glad I did. Came to ride down here. The views around here, the valleys are spectacular, and to get to see the waterfall on such a lovely, beautiful day was awesome. Check it out.
Just rock-ridden gardens. Look like cars haven't been down them for years. Basil's wheeling around. He's loving it. He really loves this kind of thing. Built for it. Long travel, high ground clearance, good suspension, loads of torque, good tyres and wheels. Spend all day just hammering it down here. Woo! Just looking for the gas station. Lots of little shops, locals, donkeys.
Recording.
I can get some petrol, yeah? Thank you. Goodbye, have a nice day. Just randomly found this pass, looking on my GPS, and found a little dotted line. It's not even on Google Maps. Check this out. It's like, look at that canyon. I love following my nose, you know, just making it up as I go along. I didn't plan to come here today. I didn't plan to be this far south in Lesotho today. But I just kept finding these little tracks and following them, and this is a well-run road, but it's not on any significant maps. Look at the view from up here. Awesome, look at this. All rocked and rutted out. Well, half a kilometre to the gas station. I am on absolute fumes. This is the town where the gas is. I just hope they're still open. Desperately hope they're still open. And this is how you get fuel in the dark. There is petrol everywhere, yeah? There is more petrol on the floor than in the bike. Eh? Couple of donkeys chilling in the road. So that's it for Lesotho. Just about to head back into South Africa. So first of all, we have to exit Lesotho. Thank you. That has to be the easiest border crossing in the world. No customs to deal with, just bang bang, stamp stamp. Happy days. Alright, we got a rally to prepare for. Let's get back to Johannesburg, where I can get Basil Bike all suited and booted and prepped and ready for this rally.
Coming up very soon is the Kalahari Rally, and Basil will have to lose his luggage and get into race mode. So we're on our way back to Johannesburg for preparations.
So I just want to say a big thank you to Mitchell in South Africa. They've hooked me up with tyres and mousses for the race, and that's where I'm going now. I'm just going to their headquarters to pick up the tyres and mousses for the rally. Really important to have a good solid tyre and mousse package that you can rely on. Michelin is what I've been using, it's what I know, it's what I trust. I use in Dakar Rally, and there's some long marathon stages in this rally, one over 1,000 kilometres. And with the temperature here and the rough terrain, it's really important to know that you can rely on your tyres and mousses. So big shout out to them, thanks Michelin for all the help and getting this together in such a short time frame. Let's go get some tyres and mousses, get them fitted on Basil and go racing. I've come to Michelin to see Louis at Michelin. Louis? Yeah. How to squeeze a full set of mousses and tyres for a 1 week rally into a mini.
First things first, Basil is such a dirty boy, he needs a real good wash.
So what I'm doing now, I'm changing this 120 Newton per millimetre spring, which is what I use with my heavy luggage, which is all my worldly possessions that I travel with. Replacing this one with this one, which is 97 Newtons per millimetre. So completely different rate spring, a lot softer. The bike should handle really good without the luggage and with the softer spring in it. Come to Sag. Last road book I did with Basil over a year ago in the US.
As you can see, Lyndon uses Motorex oil for Basil. Check out www.motorex.com for a full list of products and to find a dealer near you.
Always important to dispose of the old oil correctly. So I'll put it back in the original cans, take it to the oil recycling plant.
Good job, son. Basil is now in race mode, ready to go.
It's that time again, moose fitting time. Basil Bike's all ready for Kalahari Rally, and tomorrow morning is tech inspection, so we're going to get loaded up. It's only a couple of hours away. Thankfully I've managed to find a friend who's going to the rally to take all my stuff for me. Bike's all ready, all serviced up, new tyres, mooses, full service, valves checked, everything, all the electronics done, the electrics for the navigation, and now Basil Bike's ready to go race, from travel to race. And it's been a while since we raced Basil Bike, back in Sonora Rally 2016. So I was in Mexico, so I'm really excited to get back out on the big 730 and see how he fares up in this South African terrain.
Next time on Races to Places, it's the Kalahari Rally.
Hi everyone, I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my media and for all the great comments that I receive every single day. Please keep them coming. I'm just going to share with you my Patreon page. Patreon is a membership-based platform that gives creators like me the opportunity to continue to create the media that you love to watch. For just a few dollars a month, I can give you priority viewing, I can give you special features, informative posts about the things that you want to know. It creates a platform for interaction between you, the viewer, and me, the creator. Now, a few dollars a month might not seem like a lot to you, but for me, collectively, it makes a huge difference. So please check out the link at the bottom of the page, and I appreciate any contribution you can make to make my job sustainable. In return for that, I promise to keep creating great media that you love, dreaming up new projects, filming it and sharing it with you all. Thanks.